So today we'll fly from Watsonville to Grand Canyon, and we'll just basically make a video of the first part of the flight. The startup, taxi, getting the clearance, programming the flight plan, the climb, just the first part of the flight, since it's going to take more than 20 minutes, so you guys can see how everything is set up and done in the Vision Jet.
9-0, wind 190 at 04. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear.
Clear at 20, continue our back taxi runway.
Dew point 11 Celsius. Altimeter 3025. Density altitude 100.
Traffic location 4 is about 7 miles on the 45, descending through...
Alright, so pre-flight inspection is complete, cap spin is removed, passengers have been briefed, they know how to open the door. You have the seat belt over there? Yep. Battery 1 and 2 on, generator 1 and generator 2 on. There is no external GPU, oxygen master it's on, that was part of the pre-flight, avionics. So let's check here all the database, everything is up to date except the flight chart which we are not using. We are acknowledging here the passenger briefing. Let's do a pre-flight test. Fire, two lights.
Fire. Stall.
Okay, pass. So we have 256 gallon here. Okay, pilot.
No, number 3, Charlie Kilo, contact Oakland Center 128.7.
128.7, 3 Charlie Kilo.
NorCal Mooney 1001 Juliet 8500.
Okay,
2100
balance looks good.
Juliet, North California,
Our
South Altimeter
destination
3025. Information India is current for the Monterey Airport.
3025 and 1
Load the for departure.
001 Juliet.
20.
Over 902 Foxtrot, radar service terminates velocity VFR, frequency change approved.
2617, Quebec.
NorCal approach, good morning, 0239 Whiskey Romeo, level 7000.
There are 239 Whiskey Romeo, NorCal approved.
Right. 158, exit Biker. And then Trevor.
Delta 1.6 climbing 7000.
310 Alpha Delta NorCal departure, you are radar contact. Climb and maintain
That's our
9000.
route here.
Delta 9000.
Show on map, looks fine.
NorCal
Distance is always down.
2617, Quebec.
Takeoff data, runway 20, we need 3500 or
Aircraft following,
3300
say
feet.
again.
Alright, so my initiation is done here. My flight plan is enter, avionics is complete, FADEC channel B.
NorCal departure, goes up 1, leaving 3,800
Strobe light on, no CAS message, thrust level idle, I'm on the brakes, engine nav on, fuel pump, I can hear it, and then engine button press, so we'll make sure.
So jump 1 radar contact 3 miles east of the Watsonville Airport, 4,300.
We have a good start here. And 2 is climbing, and 1 is climbing, and TT is
0
climbing.
Alpha Delta, turn right heading 120, enable clear direct surface.
120 direct surface, Delta, thank you.
NorCal 2617, Quebec.
We want to see ITT coming back down. As soon as N1 is spinning fast enough, it's coming back down, so we have a good start here. Those are normal CAS.
3025, verify your call sign and request.
Lead switch on, ACS control panel disabled.
Approximately 15 miles to the
So I
south.
need to call now and get my clearance.
Monterey, negative 80.
And verify your call sign 671 Quebec.
2617 Quebec.
So we'll turn pitot heat just shortly before takeoff. Yeah.
017 Quebec, squawk 5364.
Okay, so I need to call now.
5364,
get my clearance.
2617 Quebec.
It's pretty busy today. Norcal Vision Jet 344 Papa Victor, ready to copy our clearance to Grand Canyon.
Sir, 344 Papa Victor Norcal approach, Plains altimeter 3025, taking your destination.
The destination is Grand Canyon, Kilo Golf Charlie November for Papa Victor. Waiting 5,000 here just in case, and for the minimum I'm going to put my caps altitude 600 feet plus this, so that's
With all craft information, Indian clear for the Monterey Airport, wind 340 at 6, visibility 10 miles, gathered cloud is 900 feet, the temperature 14, dew point 10, altimeter 3026, landing runway 28 left and right.
I'm going to put the traffic here.
And NorCal Mooney 1001 Juliet, we have India descending.
717 Quebec, contact Monterey Tower 118.4.
118.4, so long, 2617 Quebec.
Mini 01 Juliet, roger.
Local approach to Route 239 Romeo, we have India from Monterey, would like to cancel AFR and proceed direct to the field.
Number 344, Papa Victor, you are cleared to the Golf Charlie November Airport from the Watsonville Airport via the Watsonville 4 departure. Salinas, Hanoche, Papa X-ray November, Intel, then as filed. On departure, climb and maintain 5,000. Expect flight level 270, 5 minutes after departure. Your departure frequency is 127.15. Slot code is 3222. Hold for release and go ahead with your revac.
For Papa Victor is clear to Golf Charlie November via Watsonville 4, Salinas, Panoche, Intel, then as filed. Climb to 5,000. Expect flight level 270 after 5 minutes. Squawk 3226. With you on 127.15 and hold for release.
And over for Papa Victor, the rest of your readback was correct. The squawk code is 3222. And are you ready to go now?
3222, no, we need a couple minutes for Papa Victor.
Papa Victor, roger. Call me when you are number 1 for departure with the 1 minute weather.
We'll call you back for Papa Victor, thank you. Okay, so 3222, departure frequency is set here, 5,000, I set it here. Regarding the route, we have to go through Panoche here. So I'm going to put Panoche before,
Monterey Tower 118.4.
that will be before Intel. Papa X-ray November. Salinas, alright, so flight plan is good. Alright, you are set, clearance is obtained, altimeter is set here, transponder is set. Initial heading, that will be a runway heading here. 200. 200. Flight control, free and correct. Okay, trim, 4 degrees, I'm going to put 5 degrees here. 5-6 degrees is what we want. Flaps are at 50 here, 50-50, electrical trim.
Romeo contact, Monterey.
Let's check here, the normal trim is working. Yep, toggle button, that allows me to get some guidance on takeoff. Now let's check the emergency bus. Channel 1 Jet 2 off, battery 2 off. I want to see at least 23.3 or more here. We have 23.5 and climbing, so that's good. Let's put generator back on. And those gas messages are going to disappear. Parking rep, parking brake. It's not. I am on a brake, I'm ready to taxi. Alright, so ready to taxi. Are you safe over there? If you need air, you know how to use the knobs? Okay. You have a seat belt? Okay. Can you check here, Val, that we are clear? There is an airplane behind, I think, taxiing, so we are not going to wait until he goes by. Otherwise, we're going to blow him to the grass. Alright guys, so we're ready to go. Taxi. check the clearance on your side.
We're good.
Also traffic was here on the upwind 20, left 45 departure. So.
You're good?
Yep.
Okay.
Westbound traffic 702, 967 Delta, we're turning on left crossing for runway 20, stay in the pattern, Westernville. Westbound traffic, Cessna 499er, 31.
Okay, so the winds are light here. Let's say 4 knots. You see the flag over there on the wind?
Yep.
Alright, so hope you guys are going to enjoy this flight from Santa Cruz, Watsonville.
967 Delta, we're turning on left downwind for runway 20, stay in the pattern, Westernville.
To Grand Canyon. It's 485 nautical mile, which we are probably going to do in 1.5 hours because we'll have some strong tailwind. We might have some turbulence on the way there. If I have turbulence, I will slow down. Okay, so departure briefing, we'll accelerate to 90 knots. Any issue before 90 knots, we stop at the runway. After 90 knots and below 800 feet, we land straight ahead, and above 800 feet, we pull caps immediately. Landing light as required. Probably we have to call to get my clearance to go now.
180, direct to Utah for Kentucky.
Norcal Vision Jet 344 Papa Victor, holding short runway 20. We have the weather, we are ready to go.
Envoy 4059, turn left, heading 120, unable clear direct surfer.
Left 120, direct surfer, Envoy 4059.
Envoy 4059, climb maintain flight level 190.
190, Envoy 4059.
Number 4, Papa Victor, hold for release. Unfortunately, I've got somebody in your way right now. Expect about a 2-minute delay.
Hold for release for Papa Victor.
Number 4, Papa Victor, are you still ready to go, sir?
Yes.
Number 4, Papa Victor, you are released for departure. Clearance void is not off in 5 minutes. If not off in 5 minutes, advise NorCal of your intentions no later than 10 minutes.
Clear for departure for Papa Victor within 5 minutes. Okay, so there is nobody over there. I set the timer here. Yeah, I don't see anybody there. Westside traffic, Vision Jet 344 Papa Victor, taking off from runway 20 for a straight out departure, Watsonville. Probe it on, probe it here. Imagine a PS, not needed.
Watchful traffic here, 656 Delta Foxtrot is about 2 miles west of the airport.
We'll accelerate to 90 knots.
2,200 feet, Watsonville.
Everything looks green here. Alright. Full power, power to the T. We have 100% or more than 100% power, you saw that. No CAS message. And we are accelerating. We are at 70 knots now. 80 knots. 90 knots.
We're like at 130 miles an hour.
Gear up.
NorCal approach, Cirrus 3750, Bravo 6500.
Flaps up at 115.
Cessna 375, Sierra Bravo, NorCal approach, Salina altimeter 30.
I don't see the flaps coming up.
They're not coming up. Oh wait, now they are.
Yep. Okay, so now I can call NorCal and tell them we are outbound. Approach, Vision Jet 344 Papa Victor, climbing from 500 feet to 5,000.
4 Papa Victor, NorCal departure, Salina altimeter 3024, ident.
Ident for Papa Victor. You said 3020?
Salina altimeter 3024, your radar contact, number 4 Papa Victor, 2 miles south of the Watsonville Airport, climbing out of 1,000. Climb and maintain 6,000.
6,000 for Papa Victor and 3024. 6,000 feet, 3024. Okay, gear are up, flaps are up, we're still max power. I'm going to bring back the power now because we are limited to 4 or 5 minutes, but a couple minutes is enough. And we're flying the departure now on autopilot, nav, FLC mode, autopilot mode. 6,000 feet. Flaps is retracted, airspeed. Thrust level. Maximum MCT. MCT is here.
November 4, Papa Victor, clear direct Intel.
Clear direct Intel for Papa Victor.
Okay, so Intel is this point. We are clear direct, that means we are going to navigate directly. And that's going to make things a little shorter for us.
Sun gets out of.
November 4, Papa Victor, contact North Altimeter 124.52.
12452 for Papa Victor.
2452. Okay, so we're climbing to 6,000, direct Intel.
Approach VN34 for Papa Victor, climbing from 4700 to 6000.
Number 4, Papa Victor, NorCal approach proceed, direct Intel, climbing sample level 190.
I maintain flight level 190 for Papa Victor.
Okay, 190. 19,000.
Papa 1372, contact approach on 121.3, take care.
Okay, direct Intel, which is 90 nautical mile. Okay, so we are at MCT here, and everything looks green here. The pressure is coming up. The pressurization is coming up here, 2.6 psi. So what this means here is that we are at 6,000 feet, but in the cabin it's like 140 feet. Okay, it's like we're still basically down. You see the pressure is coming up here. So it's basically pressurizing the cabin like a balloon, okay?
Number 0 Uniform Hotel, let the next guy know you got him in sight. Contact approach on 121.3, take care.
121.3, 0 Uniform Hotel.
Yep, so we're in a climb phase here, the climb checklist.
Timer expired.
Timer is expired because that was for the clearance. We don't use it anymore now. Because when they say clearance void in 5 minutes, that means you have to take off. And if you wait more than 5 minutes, then you have to stay on the ground and call them again for a new authorization. Okay, so we're climbing now, we are going to go through 8,000 feet. We're climbing at 1,700 feet per minute, 160 knots. I mean, we could obviously achieve a much better climb rate by pitching up more.
Are we allowed to do that?
Yep, but that's not, it's not efficient. The best efficient way to climb is to do it at 160 knots. Because otherwise it's going to be slower, therefore you're going to use more fuel for a longer period of time. So 160 knots is the advised. Alright, so I'm going to put the map here in full mode. We don't need the traffic. And I can zoom this to see our entire route today. It's pretty quiet out there. I'm going to put here the standby frequency. I'm going to put the emergency frequency. 1, 2, sorry, not here. Cancel. Here, 1, 2, 1.5.
We're looking 9 o'clock. November 344, Papa Victor, contact Oakland Center on 127.45. Have a good day.
12745, thank you for Papa Victor.
Okay, 12745, that's Oakland. Oakland Center.
On call 126, contact Los Angeles Center 126.52, good day.
Los Angeles Center 126.52, all Nippon 126, good day.
Oakland Center, Vision Jet 344 for Papa Victor, out of 15,000 to flight level 190.
November 344, Papa Victor, Oakland Center, calling maintain level 270.
climb and maintain flight level 270, 344 Papa Victor.
November 4 Papa Victor, I have an amendment to your route for military airspace. Device ready to copy.
Ready to copy for Papa Victor.
Papa Victor, after Intel, you're cleared direct Bishop, Bravo, India Hotel. Direct light at Lima, India, Delta, Alpha, Tango. Direct to Beatty, Bravo, Tango, Yankee. And then direct trawler, Tango, Romeo, Alpha, Lima, Romeo.
For Papa Victor, after Intel, clear direct Bishop, Bravo, India Hotel, then Lima, India, Delta, Alpha, Tango, then Bravo, Tango, Yankee, then trailer.
November 4 Papa Victor, read that correct, thank you.
Alright, so we have to change our flight plan here after Intel. I'm going to remove, we are still 15 minutes from Intel, remove airway. And insert after Bishop, BIH, then Lidat.
Concourse 425 Tango Foxtrot, Oakland Center, Roger, how do you hear?
Then Betty.
You're on clear as well, thank you.
Then trailer. Okay, let's look at the route here. Intel, Bishop, Lidat, Betty, trailer. Okay, so we have to do a small detour here because there is some military operation going on over Death Valley.
Alaska 444-390.
Alaska 444, Oakland Center, Roger.
If you're cold, you put it through here, okay? Okay.
Is this right here, Death Valley?
Oh, no, not yet.
Oh.
Yep, this is, we have to cross the San Joaquin Valley first. Okay.
The Great Sancho Valley?
Yep. Okay, so we're reaching 18,000 feet here. I'm going to push the barrow to be in standard barometric pressure. We're still in MCT. Engine parameter, it's all green.
Well, I see that there's finally
Cabin pressurization is coming to 5.5 psi. Cabin altitude is 3,300 now. Altimeter, okay. And we'll wait to be in cruise. We still have to climb 10 more thousand feet here.
So, the Sierras have snow now?
Yes. It snowed last week. Alright guys, so we are back up here at flight level 270.
United 375.
We are cruising at 300 knots to airspeed. Our ground speed is 343. We are 40 knot tailwind here. So we are going along here and we are about 386 nautical miles, which is about an hour to our destination. We got an amended clearance which I have to put in the box right now, which is after Betty, direct Las Vegas.
2652, 502, good day.
Insert after Las Vegas and direct Grand Canyon. So I remove trailer. I just got an amended clearance from her. Let's listen again.
2650.
Jet 5, Scout 5900, clear direct to Coaldale.
Directly Coaldale, Scout 5900.
No talking, Valentin.
Directly
Scout 5900.
Directly Coaldale.
Exit Jet 747, descend via the Razor 430 transition.
Descend via the Razor 430 transition. Exit Jet 747.
Exit Jet 7.
Directly
Scout 59.
2652.
Jet 5, United 37. For Papa Victor, after Beatty, clear direct Las Vegas at Lima Alpha Sierra, and then direct to the Grand Canyon.
Alright, so that's what I put here in a box. So BIH, Lidat, after Betty, Las Vegas and CGN. Alright, so we are cruising along now. We are crossing the Sierras.
The Sizzler 3 arrival.
Probably standby.
It's pretty warm behind. So your temperature is 82 degrees now, Molly. Is it that warm? She cannot hear me.
Affirmative, Sizzler 3, we can do that. Exit Jet 509.
Clear Jet 509, Roger. Clear direct Boy Bay
Molly,
and the remainder of the
it's 82
Sizzler
degrees back
3
there.
maintain
Yeah,
level
you're fine?
350.
Okay.
Let me know if you need the spelling for Boy Bay.
We've got it. Direct Oy
Charlie Bay, and then the remainder of the Sizzler 3.
Yeah, you do. Turn it to between red and blue, okay? If you're too hot. Okay?
3590,
Don't touch anything here, we're fine.
Center 126.52.
Okay. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy the view outside.
Whoa,
The view
look
of
at
the
that.
Sierras.
Whoa.
We have not much turbulence so far, we may get a little bit after, we'll see. But the wind is pretty much coming from behind, so there may be some mountain wave going down there.